you got numbness, tingling all down your arms, your legs, then you want to do the basketball bounce. So basically it's like bouncing a basketball. Okay, you know you bounce a basketball, with the palm, right? Little with the fingers, but mostly with the palm. So you're just going to bounce the basketball. Start noticing one hand bounces the basketball better than the other one, right? So that tells you that there is a disharmony or there's a miscommunication between your brain and one part of your nervous system. And so a lot of times we'll say, like for my left hand, it's not as smooth as my right hand, right? If you go from the side view, it looks like this. You're bouncing the basketball, right? This is the bounce. This is the Kunlun Clan basketball bounce secret martial arts technique, all right? You're going to notice, one hand is bouncing less. So that could mean that this side of your body has poor communication with your brain, which means you got to do this. Just do this for 3 minutes. It's actually pretty hard. 3 minutes, you want to bounce the basketball. Now, it's not rotating it like this. It's bouncing up and down. And it's not bouncing with your fingers, okay? It's bouncing with your palm. So when you're bouncing with your palm, it looks like this, right? And this is just one thing that you can do at home. You can see how mine are different already, right? This is one exercise you can do at home to rehabilitate your nervous system, okay? So give this a try 3 minutes every single day.